So before you decide to rip up your carpet and replace it, stop. Check this video out. Hey, I'm Travis Daggett with Cornerstone Properties in Eugene, here with Adam at Adam's Carpet Cleaning. So I know we buy houses and buy and sell houses, and there have been a number of houses I've been in where I just looked at the carpet immediately and said, we're ripping it out. But maybe I was doing that too soon. So Adam, how can carpet cleaning and repairing carpet actually pay for itself and then some, especially in the long run?
Sure. Well, actually, a lot of situations where there may be holes in the carpet, maybe a dog tore it up, or you had a water loss, one that was properly dried out, but the backings of the carpet are separated. There's two backings of the carpet, a primary and a secondary, and what actually happens is they split apart when a lot of moisture has gone in there. So I'm, for a lot of these situations, or stains that can't be removed, and bleach stains and things like that, I could do what's called a surgical insert. Any leftover pieces that you have from the carpet installer that he gave you, or I could take a piece out of an inconspicuous area in your closet, somewhere in the dark where no one would really see. I could also re-stretch carpet. So a lot of times people think that the carpet can't be saved just because a combination of both, the wrinkles, or the holes, or the burns, and in the stains too. A combination of both of those, people are just like, let's rip it out. But with somebody who has been trained and has experience doing this, and somebody that warranties their work, it may end up saving you a ton of money. Usually it could cost, in the thousands. I had a quote the other day at a restaurant where they quoted him around almost $5,000 to replace one room. Actually, it was a pretty good sized room, but for the price that I gave him, I'm actually doing a reseaming and repair job for a couple holes, and I'm doing a hot water extraction on it. And in comparison to my bill, and I was, from my pre-inspection of the job, I was confident that the results were worth the investment. So he went right ahead and booked the appointment. It saved him quite a bit of money. Probably he would have to spend 4 times as more for that job to get brand new carpet. So you may want to also check the prices of what it costs to really get a clear idea, because a lot of people don't realize for the amount of what I'm charging to clean the carpet is around just what you would pay just for the pad alone. So you also would have to buy the carpet. You would also have to hire somebody to come and install. So, that's just a fraction of if I'm charging the same price as what it would cost for the pad, that's just a fraction of the price. So it saves you quite a bit. And the labor, could really get up there. So for a quality install, the labor could really, go pretty high. So.
Awesome. Yeah, super cool. Hope that answers questions about repair, replace versus just cleaning, or I should say replacing versus cleaning or repairing. Great options. Travis Daggett, Cornerstone Properties in Eugene, here with Adam at Adam's Carpet Cleaning. Any questions, put it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please like it and share it. See you next time.